Today's video we're gonna see how to get paid $1 for just clicking some little advertisement and you can get paid instantly. Without any further ado, let's dive into this video. Like I said before, you can get a $1 for just every click you make on a keyboard and you can get paid via PayPal. Easily you can get paid. You can do it over and over again without any limitation. It's available worldwide. It doesn't matter where are you from, and you can do. The website we are gonna talking about is called vad.ojo.com. Come on to this website, and this is the website we are talking about. You can get paid by viewing advertisement and clicking advertisement. So simple ad you can easily make. Come out to this wordojo.com and click pay to click ads. So automatically take you to this sign up page and where you can sign up. And this is the sign up page and this is the ad how it display. You can get paid easily 0.5. It's just to click an ad and watch an ad for 10 seconds and you can get paid. Good to go. Easily you can make, and there is lots of ad you can easily make over and over again. You can easily make a $1 per click in a just 10 seconds or even maybe 20 seconds. It doesn't matter, and you can make some good amount of money with this. And there is almost 36 million users and almost 2 billion clicks. 2 billion guys, 2 billion clicks. There is almost 75,000 users online right now. Can easily connect with lots of people, and it's a trustworthy website. It's not any scam website. You can easily get paid, and if you have a Bitcoin wallet address, you can withdraw your money via Bitcoin or Ethereum. That is also available for that, and it's a simple app. You can get paid and come out to this. Like I said, paid to clicks. Click that, and click sign up. So automatic you to sign up it, and where you can put your username, password, confirm password, email, and referral option. If you have a referral option, put a referral option and click another robot. You can come out to this and you can register yourself and you can good to go. It's easy, and if you put a referral code, you can get a $20 bonus. I think easily, but it doesn't matter. You can put your yourself and without any referral code and you can good to go. And click the terms and service. First read terms and service and click yes, click register. You can verify your robot and good to go. Click register. Easily you can register your account. Once you register, I show you how it's look like. So this is the dashboard how it gonna look. So simple. You can easily get paid via just clicking an ad, and this is your total status, and this is the status and privilege. If you get a $300 and you can upgrade to a next membership, standard to another membership, and there is a contest and click advertisement, and there you can see lots of advertisement. I show you affiliate program, and if you recommend it to your friend and you can get earn up to 30% of your friends earning, you can easily get paid some good amount of money with this. And this is the example. Yeah. And this is the commission for advertisements to standard. If your friend in a standard, you can get 50%. If your friend in economic light, you can 15%. If your friend in privilege plus, you get 30%. Simple. And there is also puzzle games. There is lots of way available for you to make some good amount of money. This is the gift card and this is the iPhone. You can just come out to this and just browse around this website and you can find lots of way. And there is daily prices and there is daily competition available right here, and you can join them and you can get paid by them easily. And there is referral code, there is affiliate program, purchase history, cash it funds. Click cash it funds and you can provide your account settings. You can just fill out your account settings where you want to send your address and some personal information. Easily you can get. So if you like this video, share with your friends who want to make some money, and like this video, comment below what you thought about, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.